G'day from SA. How are you? Travis here. Just going to do some more shooting. Trusty Bruno Model 5, 1974. Beautiful rifle. Love it to death. Only cost me a couple $100. It's been run over by four-wheel drive, so it's four-wheel drive tuned. Still shoots pretty good. Just the operator needs some work at the moment. Testing out some budget ammos here. We've got this, just done some CCI. This retails for around $13 here in Australia. The Standard Plus is only like $1 extra, so that's 14 bucks. SK Match and the SK Long Range, I think it's around the $18, $16 to $18, but I can't get any of the long range at the moment, and I've just run out of the match. Just got 5 rounds left, which I'm going to put down range in a second. And we've got some Hornady here. This was, I think, around $13. But if you want some Eley Match, which I cannot get my hands on at the moment, that's $36 a box here. And if you want RWS, if you can find it, you're looking at around $50 a box. So still, I mean, cheaper than centerfire target. So let's get a group of the SK match, and we'll get some Hornady download. I've already got the SK down there in the CCI from a shoot I've just done. So we'll compare them to the rest of them. Is it worth the extra money for this? We're about to find out. Wish I had some more expensive ammo to show you, but this is just going to be a budget group at the moment. All right, let's get into it. Let's talk. So I'm just going to shoot the far right hand side, and it's not about shooting the ball, it's just getting a group. Wind's dropped off at least. One more? One more. The dreaded fifth round. They're all looking pretty good in there. It's a nice little group. Let's hope I don't jinx myself. Oh yeah, that was me. I jinxed myself. All right. Not having a good day today. Well, it's definitely all me. I can't blame the ammo. Okay, so we'll just do the last 5 rounds of this varmint I've got. Hornady Varmint Express. Now, it's only 10,070 rounds. 1,070 feet per second. So it is subsonic. But we'll see how we go. It did show promise the other week when nothing else was working. Now I'm just going to do it below the SK. I really need a scope cam to show you how much this is moving around, but this is grouping really well. Looking good. We might have a new budget ammo here. I'm just going to shut my mouth for this last one. Hard for me to do. Nice little string. Alrighty. Looks pretty good. Let's get the trusty lie detector and have a look. Yes, looks as good as the SK, if not maybe a little bit better. Now I did shoot the semi-auto 45 grain for another group, and yeah, my shotgun sort of group's better than that, and my rifle just doesn't like it. I mean, I've seen it shoot so well in other people's rifles. I don't know. Maybe the old Bruno, she just doesn't like that. But anyway, let's have a look-see here. If I can turn this around. Push the button.